Hi, welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
Lemon loaf, breakfast wrap.
From Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. My co-host Jimmy Fallon made a cameo in Jurassic World, fittingly giving a tour to the kids in the gyrosphere, the big round glass vehicle at the end. Now you'll notice the glass is missing. It was never there. They digitally added it in post-production. Because since the vehicle is round, if they used real glass, anywhere they put the camera, you'd always see the reflection. So that one little digital detail can save them what could have been a huge headache. Talking about Jurassic World, we just also made a cameo in Jurassic World. Look close, especially around the windows. It's splintering a little bit. Because in reality, the whole vehicle is made out of lightweight balsa wood. It's only painted to look like the metal version. For the most part, the only real metal is for arcade. Can you just all give them a big wave hello? Maybe even a round of applause, too. Do you guys see them out there anywhere? Oh, there they That's not the crew, that's a fin. That's a really big fin. Are you listening out there? There's another shark. Hey, how do you need to get back in your boat? Dude, get out of the water right now. There's a shark coming right towards you. Come on. He's fine. He's okay. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna go. Awesome. Looks like we're just gonna hide here behind these giant, highly flammable barrels of gasoline. Always a good idea in an emergency. We did put some bait in the yellow barrel. Hopefully he'll just take the bait and he'll leave us alone. Oh, perfect. Took the bait, but that took the fear. That's probably not good. Oh, that's definitely not good. Wait a minute, guys, I'm looking out there. I'm not seeing the shark anymore. Do you guys see the shark out there? I bet the fire scared him off. That's wrong. Part of this collection includes one of my favorites, Bumblebee from Transformers. Also got the vehicles from Fast and the Furious. Fast X is streaming on Peacock right now, too. You can watch it there. We even have a garage out on our backlot specifically made Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. On the right, this is the Bates Motel and original Psycho house from the and coming up on the left. This is the original Psycho. Oh, no. Okay, definitely didn't think Norman Bates would be here. Norman, we're just passing through. You can ignore us. It's like, okay, never mind. He's got a knife.
You took the knife off.
Norman, I don't like the way that you're looking at the tram. As the epic disaster site from Paramount Pictures, War of the Worlds.
Here we are at Luigi's Pizza. Chicken Alfredo and cheese pizza.
Really enjoyed Universal Studios Hollywood. I went to the Super Mario World, which was really cool. I went to Hogsmeade. I went to the Minions Land. I went to different places to eat in the parks. I went to the different lands. I rode on the Mummy ride, which was really fast, and a roller coaster.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.